Writing helps me connect my readers with solutions that help them travel better. And it also helps me monetize my blog while being of service to my audience.
And I were just talking about how this is the perfect venue, and it's been really good because it's not too many people. At the meetup, at the conference, it's just overwhelming and it's difficult to kind of communicate, and this has been the perfect venue.
Our CEO he found you back in like 5 years ago maybe. And he decided that you guys are actually one of the greatest networks that are available right now on the market.